Hi guys, in this video I will be show you how you can create a blue place effect on CapCut PC. So select your video you want to edit and prepare the blue background. You can load on Google or another app. So just merge it and make it shorter. So just tap on model plane, select overlay, and you can copy paste in the blue screen overlay. Just click copy paste. So until finish the video. So here we go. Okay, you can also change the opacity or the overlay. So guys, for simple, that's how to blue place effect on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.